Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to design the strip support plate. To decide the strip support plate's width, let's measure the distance between the die plate's right surface and the strip guide plate's right surface. Pick the measure command. Select the die plate's right surface, then select the strip guide plate's right surface. The measured distance is 50 mm. To decide the strip support plate's length, let's measure the distance between the front surface of the front strip guide plate and the rear strip guide plate's rear surface. Select the front strip guide plate's front surface and then select the rear strip guide plate's rear surface. The measured distance is 122.5 mm. Now let's design the strip support plate. Create a new part file with the part name as strip support plate. Create a position sketch on the top XY plane. Sketch a rectangle. Update the width of the strip guide plate to 50 mm. Update the strip guide plate's length to 122.5 mm. Observe the sketch is not fully constrained. Apply a symmetry constraint to the rectangle's top and bottom edges, with reference to the horizontal axis. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained and exit the Sketcher workbench. Create a pad of thickness 8 mm. Let's create a sketch for the location of fasteners. Create a position sketch on the top surface of the strip guide plate. Sketch 4 points for fastener locations. Create edge distance dimensions for all 4 holes. Update the horizontal edge distance dimensions to 15 mm. 15 mm is the dimension provided as edge distance on the strip guide plates. Update the vertical edge distance dimensions to 12.5 mm. 12.5 mm is half of the width of the strip guide plate. Create an up-to-last threaded hole of size M5 with metric thick pitch. Apply a user pattern and create all other screw holes. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the strip support plate. Now let's assemble the strip support plate to the die assembly. Swap the window to the die assembly. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product 1, which is the die assembly. Pick the strip support plate from the file selection window. Use the manipulation command and drag the strip support plate. Provide a contact constraint between the strip support plate's top surface and the strip guide plate's bottom surface. Provide a contact constraint between the die plate's right surface and the strip support plate's left surface. Provide a coincidence constraint between the strip support plate's front surface and the front surface and the strip guide plate. Update the assembly. Make sure the strip support plate is assembled as per the required position and orientation. Set the view to isometric, and fit all in. Save the die assembly. With this, we have successfully designed the strip support plate. Make sure the screw holes on the strip guide plates and the strip support plate are aligned. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.